Here we have the Delfast PCB RX40A Tying Machine. Alright, let's get into this bad boy. First up, you'll have 4 coils of wire that come along with it, 2 batteries, 1 charger cord, 1 charger, pair of nips, a 2.5mm Allen key, and belt hook, and of course the tool. This tool features a belt hook, depending if you want it left or right. So today we're going to put it on the right hand side. It has a little lip here that goes in between that gap, and I can simply grab my 2.5mm Allen key and goes on like so. Here we have the 2 batteries. We're going to grab one of these, press the button on the back, which will indicate how much charge this battery has. So you take the white casing off, slot into the tool, and now we're going to grab 1 coil. You see how it's got a little curve on the tip? We're simply going to grab our nips out of the case and cut them on a slight angle so it takes the tip off. Now here we are, we'll open the door latch, press the spring lock in, simply placing the coil inside the runner in here. So it goes through the feeder hole and it should hold nicely just there. Now if we close our latch, simply now we come to the back, and this is the on button. Now we have 3, so that'll do 3 wraps, and this is level tension 8. Now to feed the wire from the 2 cogs all the way through, we're going to switch the trigger to on, and quite simple, it'll feed all the way through, and now that's ready to go. Here we have the tool, all good to go. If we flick it on, here we have 3 wraps by a level 8 tension. Now if we flick it off, hold down the trigger and turn it back on, it'll go from only 2 wraps to level 8. Now I'll take my finger off the trigger, I can then tension down or tension up, like so. And there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching this overview of the Delfast Rebar Tying Machine. See you next time.